Hello guys, welcome back with me again on this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Picsart account. So Picsart is a photo and or video editing app that you can use on mobile or PC. And here through this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the account to Picsart. First, if you haven't downloaded or don't have the apps yet, you can just go to your Play Store or App Store and then click on search and just type in Picsart. Okay, so this is the Picsart AI photo editor and video. You can just install and download it to your phone, and after that, when it's done, you can tap on open. Okay, so here is the Picsart application. Here you can create account by clicking on this button, or you can also connect or sign in automatically using your Google account or Facebook. So if you want to use the create an account, here you need to fill in your email address, and then you can just tap on next, and here you need to create your password, and your Picsart account will be created within seconds. Okay, if you want to connect with your Google account or Facebook, you can also do it by clicking on the icon of Facebook or Google. Here, for example, you want to use Google, click on this Google icon and then choose or select your Google account. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already signed in or create my account using Google, so it will automatically connect it with my Google my Picsart in here. Let's try again. If you use Facebook, you can click on this Facebook icon, and then you'll be asked to log in to your Facebook account. If you don't log in yet, you can just using your mobile number or email you use on Facebook, type in your Facebook password, and then here you can just tap on login. Okay, after that your Picsart account will be created. So just choose which one that you find easier for you, so you can use email, Google, or Facebook. So if this tutorial helped you to create an account or Picsart, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you still have questions, you can drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on thanks for more Picsart tips and tricks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!